It's nice and rainy here in Alfonso, Cavite. You have that mood, and it's just so chill for some reason. The weather is lovely, especially because you are near Tagaytay. And that being said, this is an Airbnb property available on the market. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet baths, a 2 vehicle carport, and a lovely backyard with a swimming pool. This can fit at least 10 folks. It's perfect for your next family gathering or if you want to turn it into an Airbnb business yourself. Okay, so from the road, this is what you will see. This is the facade. It's nice and peachy. Parang it almost looks like a dessert, right? Right in front, though, you have a view of a field. So that is a very unique view here in Alfonso, Cavite. It's actually the reason why a lot of people like moving here. It's because you have random fields like that and it just feels nice and fresh. Now, granted, again, it is rainy, so you're gonna have to excuse our limited movement around the property, but hopefully you still get to enjoy it. So here on the left and the right side, you have gates for your vehicle port. So you have a 2 vehicle carports. And then here in the middle part, you have your pedestrian gate, which obviously also will give you access to either carports. Now you can go around the property in any which direction, but we're not gonna go there or around for now, but I will show you a nice sneak peek. That's pretty nice. Okay, so let me put this aside. Sorry, pahawak muna ng payong. Okay, so over here you have your main entrance. May silong naman, thankfully. So you have an awning over here, as well as eaves around the house, but I'm not gonna shimmy around the wall. So thankfully, meron naman tong silong. And so as you enter your solid wooden main door, hi Myrelle! Hello! So guys, this is Myrelle. She is one of Presello's realtors. And as I introduce her to you guys, she's gonna introduce you guys to the home.
Hi guys, welcome to this home. Today I'll assist you for your house tour. So this house is a very good business investment.
In fact, it's for Airbnb, right?
It's currently for Airbnb. There's 5 bedrooms. And later on, I'll let you know why the owner is selling it.
Okay, this is pretty near Tagaytay highways, right?
Yes. It's a very private area. It has like a farm in front of you, so it's like green in space, and
it does have a farm in front.
Yeah.
That's
very windy
really nice.
also.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Okay, so I will see you later. We will all see you later for that little tidbit for why they are selling this property. Okay, thanks, Myrelle.
Okay, see ya.
See ya. Okay, so as you enter, right, you will immediately see this open space for your living, dining, and your kitchen. So you actually have quite a bit of space for your living, as it's this entire area. You have high ceiling, and then you already have some choice lighting fixtures already with it. In fact, actually, it's gonna be fully furnished. So the furniture that you see are gonna come with it, as well as the air conditioning units. And then over here, you have your dining and your kitchen. Now, if you're wondering why the dining is only a 2-seater, now fear not, you still have a lot of space outside, which you will see later. But this is your kitchen. So you have some storage up top, storage below, you have your built-in sink, and then, excuse me, provision for your appliances like your rice cooker, your water dispenser, ref, etc. Now, one thing that you will also notice is the roof line, or the ceiling line rather, which follows the shape of the roof. So it also lends to the shape of the windows on either side. So you have clerestory windows that lets in lots of light, and then you have actual windows that some of them are sliding doors like this one that you can open up for cross ventilation. And before we head here though, let me show you these 2 doors. So this is bedroom number 1. So, excuse me. So you have this much space, and you actually have space for a double-decker. And then you have a built-in wardrobe over here with a solihia pattern in front. Now, all of the wardrobe spaces are gonna have this kind of pattern. The colors are slightly different, but they have this particular style about them that lends to a very almost minimalist bohemian vibe. It's still very Filipino and modern. Right next to that one, we have bedroom number 2, which is right next to the main entrance. Again, you have a double-decker here to show you the scale of the space. 2 windows. The curtains are drawn, but it does get pretty bright when the light does shine through the windows. And then you have your built-in on this side. So, dito pa lang you can already, So, dito pa lang 4 na tao na agad yung pwedeng makatulog with these 2 rooms. And then, if the people sleeping here needed to go to the bathroom, they can easily access this one. Anyone on this floor can access this one, which is the common toilet and bath with your toilet, your sink, and your partially enclosed shower space. Right outside your bathroom, you have this nice accent wall with native fabric as well as native decorative pieces. Okay, so before we head out, we do have a set of stairs in here, and I can just show you this area real quick. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you like seeing Airbnb properties, or at least Airbnb capable properties, as well as those just for sale around here in Alfonso, Cavite, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so up here, just a fun little nook, is another bedroom, but this can actually fit 3 full-sized beds. Actually, queen-sized bed na rin eh. So, per bed, pwedeng 2 tao. So, that's 2, 4, 6 already in this room alone. So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 folks in this building alone. And guess what? There are 2 buildings in this property. And again, you do have windows. It's just that the curtains are drawn or are closed. It's pretty cute, right? You can imagine your kids or yung mga magpipinsan dito matutulog for a sleepover. It's pretty fun. Alright. Oh, and before we head out this door, I forgot to mention this one. So this is going to lead you to one of the carports, so the left side of the property if you were facing the property. So as you can see, the wall is lined with bamboo and it's so lovely. But again, we're not going to go through there anymore because we are going to go through the back. So you have a set of sliding doors over here, sliding glass doors. There you go. With a screen panel. And when you step out, you have more seating. So this is your outdoor dining area. Kasi nga naman 2-seater lang yun nandun. If you have 10 people here, obviously it's not gonna fit, right? So you have 4 more seats over here. You can actually have a longer setup if you wanted to, so that's not a problem. You do have a lot more space. Then over here, you can see your own tank, so you don't have to worry about water running out. Not that that's a thing in this area, but it's just always nice to have. That is your outdoor daily kitchen with a built-in sink, with counter space and then storage underneath. And then behind that, you have a full toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and shower space. Okay, so now over here, as I mentioned, you have more awning, so you can put more seating over here for everyone else to dine in. Facing this way, you'll see the gate as well as your carport. And then facing this way, you will see your backyard. And it's such a nice and tranquil swimming pool, right? Again, it's rainy, but it still has that charm. It's very relaxed. Okay, so you have a pathway over here that we can follow going to the other bedrooms. Now, again, another seating area to fit more of the people who will be occupying this space. Because if your entire family is gonna rent this place, for example, at least, diba, you won't have any tables to run out of. Di ka maubusan ng lamesa. There we go. You have a beautiful rectangular swimming pool framed by this lovely deck. And then around that, you have a covered area to protect you precisely from rain and intense sunlight. Okay, So let's check this one out. So here we have bedroom number 4. And this has one queen-sized, full-sized bed and one single bed. So technically 3 people can fit in here. You still have high ceiling. You have the same kind of finish for the walls. By the way, I don't know if it registers in the... Excuse me. Sinisinok kasi ako eh. I recently found out that not a lot of people know what sinisinok is, so it's hiccups. In-hiccup ako. Or I have the hiccups. Anyway, so I don't know if it registers in the video, but it's not white. It's kind of like a pinkish gray color. So it's a very light rose. Okay, so anyway, you have this much space, and then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath, with a sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower space. Then you also have your built-in wardrobe out here, as well as shelving and storage. Okay, so now to the other side, we have another set of sliding glass doors. And this is basically a mirror version of bedroom number 4. So this one is bedroom number 5. And again, you have a single bed and a full-sized bed or double. High ceiling, lots of space. You have your wardrobe over here as well as your shelves. Ito hindi siya exactly mirror kasi kanina baliktad eh. So it's exactly the same when you face it. And then you have the ensuite, toilet and bath. Again with your sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower space. Look at that. Look at the vibe. Very resort-like. So habang natutulog ka dito and you look out there, it's the swimming pool and you can see your family just having fun and lounging around, chilling. Now speaking of chilling, you have this area. Well, actually, technically, ito talaga yung dirty kitchen, no? But I would say that this is the grilling area. So people could be barbecuing here, hanging out, preparing food in this area, lounging by the poolside. And it's all very private still because look at the walls. So at night, those wall sconces are gonna illuminate the walls as well as the plants. And it's just gonna look really nice and contrasty, which to me is dramatic. Okay, just one more look at the furniture because it's very consistent. And it is now time for a recap. But before that, make sure you check out these chill B-rolls. So you have 391 square meters of lot area and 200 square meters of floor area. You have 2 buildings, and then you have 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and 2 vehicles that can fit in your 2 carports. Hi, Myrelle, I'm back. Okay, so
how was your house tour?
Well, it was actually pretty quick because it's a large lot. We have 2 houses, but basically everyone comes together at the outdoor spaces, which I was just talking about for the recap. So apart from the bedrooms, you do have a swimming pool, and again, as I mentioned, nice outdoor areas like for grilling and just for hanging out. You can have 10 people here easy. It's not going to be a problem because, as you mentioned, it is perfect as a resort or Airbnb.
Yeah.
Okay, so that being said, what did you like about this property?
I like this place because it's they have sustainable designs. They have wooden stuff that's easily
it's made here, so it's also
Yeah.
easy to maintain here in our climate. Yeah.
it's all natural, minimalistic, not a lot of, they stayed with the boho style.
They did. They had
Yeah.
very modern and clean aesthetic of the modern boho style.
And they have plenty of rooms. They have 11 beds.
They do have 11
Yeah.
beds.
And the reason why the owner is selling this property because
Right, yeah.
They want a bigger place. Apparently, a lot of people are renting this house, bigger groups, like bigger families, so they wanted
To accommodate more.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, that's
So it's a very good opportunity for you guys to get this place and put it up also for Airbnb if you'd like.
Yeah, since now it's available to market as well.
Yeah.
And as a reminder, right in front is a farm or a field of some sort. I'm sorry, I'm not very familiar with.
Yeah. There's like a 2-hectare field in front, so it's very breezy.
very
And Tagaytay is a cold place, so
It is.
it could be colder at night.
Definitely going to be colder at night. And it's summertime right now, or medyo going to the rainy season, but I can imagine that during January it's going to be very cold here. And again, this is in a nice area in Alfonso, Cavite. Okay, well, thank you again, Myril, for joining us and for introducing this home to all of us.
Thank you, Julia.
So if you guys want to see more of this property, make sure you send this video to them. Or if you want to see more properties here in Alfonso, Cavite, make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future.
Invest with us.
Invest with Presello. See ya. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.